Good morning, students. Today, the remaining two questions of exercise 2.2 we will discuss. Okay. So, question number 15. The question is, I have a total of rupees 300 in coins of denominations rupee 1, 2 and rupee 5. Okay. The number of rupee 2 coins is 3 times the number of rupee 5 coins. The total number of coin is 60. Okay, 160. That is 160. How many coins of each denomination are with me? It is same as the question number 14. We have to find the number of coins. Here the number of notes will be given, but it is here the number of coins is given. So we have to find the number of coins. Okay. So question is, I have a total. The total amount is already given and the denomination is given. But next line is, the number of 2 rupee coins is 3 times the number of 5 rupee coins. So I have taken the number of rupee 5 coins, let x. So if the rupee 5 coins, number of rupee 5 coins is x. So what is the number of rupee 2 coins? That is 3x, because this is 3 times the number of 5 rupee coins. Okay, that is 3 times the number of 5 rupee coins. But the given that the total number of coins is 160. So the number of 1 rupee coin will be 160 minus 3x plus x, because we have 5 rupee coin and 2 rupee coin, that is 3x plus x. The remaining denomination is 1 rupee coin, but the total coin is given. So we have to subtract this addition, okay, from 160. Okay, that is 160 minus 4x. Okay. But we have to find the amount, because total amount is given. Okay, so total amount is rupee 1 amount is 60 minus 4x is multiplied with 1, that is 160 minus 4x. Okay. Then rupee 2 is 3x, number of coin is 3x, the amount is 2, that is 6x, and the 5 rupee coins amount is 5x. But it is given that I have a total of this. This is the total. Yes or no? So we have to find the total, that is 160 minus 4x plus 6x plus 5x. This is the total amount, but this total amount will be 300. So this will be our the linear equation. Okay. So we have 160 minus 4x plus 6x plus 5x will be equal to 300. This is given, total 300 amount. So 6x plus 5x minus 4x, that is 7x plus 160 is equal to 300. So 7x is equal to 300 minus 160, that is 140. So 7x is equal to 140, x is equal to 140 upon 7, that is 20. So x is 20, that is number of raised 5 rupee 5 coin. But we have to find each denomination. So rupee 2 is rupee 2 coin. Number of rupee 2 coin is how much? 3x. That is 3 is multiplied with 20, that is 60. This is 20, this is 60, and the rupee 1 rupee coin is the remaining. The remaining coin is 1 rupee. What is the remaining? How can you find this? 140, the number of 1 rupee coin. 160 minus 4x, that is 160 minus 4x, that is 4 is multiplied with 20, that is 160 minus 80, that is 80. So this is the 1 rupee denomination, this is the 5 rupee denomination, this is the 3 rupee denomination. That is the number of coins or number number of coins. So you have to find this way the number of coins. Okay. So the last question of the exercise 2.2, the question number 16. Okay. So the question is, the organizers of an essay competition decide that a winner in the competition gets a prize of ₹100 and a participant who does not win gets a prize of ₹25. The total prize money distributed is ₹3,000. Find the number of winners if the total number of participants is 63. So, understand the question very carefully. The organizers of an essay competition decide that a winner in the competition gets a winner who win. The amount is 100. And the number of participants who only participate but doesn't win gets a prize. Means the loser but participate. Okay, that is ₹25. The total money distributed is this, and we have to find the number of winners. Okay, so this is taken as X. Let the total number of winners is X. The number of winners is X. If the winner number is X, we have total is 63. So if the winner is X, then the remaining participant who does not win gets a prize. Does not win. This is the number of participants who does not win. That is 63 minus X, because the total is 63. If you have 10 friends, okay, I organize, or your teacher organized a competition of an essay writing competition. Okay, but only 5 children participate. Okay, but remaining 5 doesn't participate. So if the total number is 10, if the total number of participant is 10, but 5 is win and 5 not win. So what is the number? The another number, that is 10 minus X. 10 minus X. Okay, in this way, if the total number of participants is 63, then how much number of participants who does not win? That is 63 minus X, because we have taken that the total number of winners is X. Okay, but the prize amount of winners is 100. One winner gets 100 rupee. So X number of winner get 100X rupee. That is rupee, and this is rupee also. So 100X. But the prize amount of remaining means the number of participants who does not win. Remaining is 25, because this number of students get 25 each. So we have to multiply 25 with 63 minus X. Okay. So the total amount will be total amount prices. That is the prize money. That is the total amount of prize money. How much? That is 100X. This is the 100X plus this is 25 is multiplied with 63 minus X. So we have multiplied 25 with 63. That is how much? 1575 minus 25X. This is 100X. That is simplified to give 75X plus 1575. Okay, this is the total amount in the form of equation, in the form of variable. But we have given that the total prize money will be 3000. So this must be equal to 3000. Understand? This must be equal to 3000, because this is the total prize money. This will be the total prize money, but it is given that total prize money is this. So we have the linear equation in the form so the total prize money is 3000. So according to the question, 75X plus 1575 is equal to 3000. Okay, so 75X is equal to 3000 minus 1575. Okay, so that is how much? 1425. That is the value of 75x. So x is equal to 1425 divided by 75. That is 5 ja 15, 5 ja 5 2 ja 10, 5 8 ja, that is 17. Okay, so the total number of winners is 17. Okay, sorry, 19. So this is the value of x. So we have taken the value of x, that is the total number of winners. That is the answer. The question is how find the number of winners. So we have taken the x as the number of winners. So the number of winners that is equal to x, that is 19. This is the answer. Okay. So in this way we completed the exercise 2.2. Then we go to the exercise 2.3 in the next video. Okay, thank you.